Hey guys, Bruce T here, and today I'm going to go pick up my 2019 BMW GS 1250 Adventure. I've been waiting a couple weeks to get this bike since I decided that's the one I'm going to get. So finally today's the day it's ready. I got it registered and I'm going to go pick it up. It's not the best day for motorcycling. It's a little cool this morning. It's about 40 degrees and you know, a couple days ago it was 60 and sunny. But you can't have everything, I guess. But let's get the motorcycle gear in the Jeep and we'll take a ride to the dealer and I'll show you guys my new bike. Alright, I got my motorcycle gloves. I got my Olympia Phantom suit. Got my helmet and my boots. And my paperwork and my GoPros. Alright, I got everything I need and it's in the Jeep, so let's go pick up my new bike. Alright, I'm at the dealer and I just went through the initial walkthrough of my motorcycle and I'm about to ride it home. It's rainy and crappy out, but what can you do? So, this is my new bike. They put the bags on and the GPS on and I think it looks great with the black bag, so here it is. What a great ride. This bike is awesome. I had such an enjoyable experience riding this. Right away you can notice how smooth it is, and the power delivery is nice and linear. And it was perfect. I really enjoyed my ride home even though it was raining. It's unfortunate that it was raining because you know, it got my bike filthy already with all the road and rain and debris getting kicked up on it. So I'm not happy about that, but I can always clean it. I got some plans for the bike in the future. I'm gonna add some components like I did to my other GS. I have an alt-rider headlight guard that I'm gonna put on, and I got a Meyer rear mud flap to help protect from debris there. I got a front fender extender too to make the front fender a little bit longer on the bottom. So I'm looking forward to adding all those things to the bike. Another thing that I noticed is the TFT screen has a bunch of information to provide, and it tells you the kilometers, the temperature, and the time, and it's really handy to have that nice bright screen to look down to. I didn't play with it too much on the ride home because I was more focused on the ride and making sure, you know, I'm paying attention to hazards and rain and slipperiness. So the bike is awesome. I had it in rain mode on the way home. Even in rain mode you can have plenty of power for passing, and it's on tap for if you just want to roll on the throttle and you need to get out of harm's way or pass or do whatever. It's got a lot of oomph to it. Other things I like, the black bags came out awesome. They look perfect with the blue, so I'm happy about that. And the bike is just amazing. The heated grips are nice and hot, and today it was only 4 degrees Celsius, so it wasn't that warm out, and obviously it's wet, and it wasn't a good ride, but it was fun regardless. And I'm looking forward to putting some more kilometers on this bike and riding it, you know, a lot more this summer. So it's gonna be fun. I'm very happy with my purchase so far. The delivery was very easy. He spent about a half hour going over things with me and showing me, you know, what everything does. And he connected my smartphone, put it in English for me, and it was a great experience. I had such a good time. So yeah, that's it. Bike is awesome. I love it. Happy to be here, and looking forward to many rides this summer. Alright, as you can see, the ride home got her filthy, and she's not clean no more. Alright, I got the bike put away in the garage in the spot that I cleared out last week, and that's all I have for you. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button, and I look forward to bringing you more GS 1250 content in the future. So I'll see you guys next video. Thanks!